Hey everybody, it happens to be Friday, July 13th, and the temperature outside is above 90. There are two seasons in Illinois, winter and road construction. If you're going anywhere in our area these days, there's road construction everywhere. So I want to talk about the importance of road tar and wax on your car. A good coat of wax will help keep the road tar from sticking to the paint, making it easier to clean that road tar off. If you need help getting road tar off, please give us a call. We can help with that. We can also help by putting a great coat of wax on your car with a detail. We have a number of different options. We can do a detail in the interior, the exterior, the engine compartment, the trunk, but it's a great idea to put a great coat of wax on your car. And not only will it help keep that road tar off the vehicle or make it easier to clean the road tar off when you get it on, it will also make it easier to clean the bugs off the front of your vehicle, because this time of year you're getting plenty of bugs on the front of your vehicle as well. So a great coat of wax will help that, and we can help with that great coat of wax. Stay safe and stay cool.